How to erase iPhone with broken screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Erase all content and settings below. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data so your phone can be safely traded in or given away. Your apps and data, Apple account, and Find My will be safely removed from your phone. Tap on Continue below. You can also tap on Reset if you want to factory reset your phone instead. Following these steps, you can easily erase iPhone with broken screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.